Welcome back to another video. Well, I'm gonna put this in the intro, but this is after the cruise. Welcome back to another video, guys. We out here with Fast Life Prince, with SRT Frost, and with my boy Evan in his M6 convertible. Big boss son birthday, you know. He got that M550, he got the Genesis, he got the F150. Oh yeah. You can rent them out too at Cars Are Us on Instagram. You can rent out any one of his whips. But yeah, we out here. We're gonna bring you guys on a little cruise. We're going down to the tunnel, make some pop sounds, see what it do. Yeah, we're gonna enjoy this party first though, you know. We gotta celebrate the kids. Yeah, that's how we're starting off this POV drive. I don't even know if the camera looking good. The Hellcat. Watch out, music all on. Woo! Yeah. Yeah, wasn't even prepared to do any of what we just did. If the camera wasn't set up right, I am sorry. Oh shit. Doing this. Bombard. All right, M6. Watch it, watch it. It's wet. Hell yeah. It's wet outside. Wait right here. Watch everyone dog. Yo, what you gone? Yo, started to spin at 100 right there, guys. It got kill happy. Sounds so nice. Bro, it's not now. You wanted them plus for a long time. Socks. Oh. When this shit change from first to second gear, yeah, it gives you the biggest pop if you're spinning. Light work. That's a light work. My boy JR Celica beat those for real. Skyline. Wait, what this song with Q Love play? Boy touch road in my skyline. That boy Q. Why you touch road in your skyline? Is another hear me? Bro, that's the thing about these damn Dodges, bro. You cannot tell. No, it's a V6.
No, it's a V6. A V6 is fun.
Yeah, it's a V6. Oh, come on. Yo, them pops sound sick. Yo, that M6 is so sick, bro. That shit just sit on from the friggin' road. We're cute.
Nah, you right behind this car. Behind you.
So we do it in a Portmore. What's it gone on now? Damn, that freaking Durango, boy. Damn. Alright. Woo! Yeah. Guys, I'm hoping you're enjoying this POV.
I would.
Yo.
Y'all ain't meant out the place. Sideways the water.
I got on the road sideways, dog.
God, sideways the water, you know.
I got a night. Oh, fuck, God. Look at the M6. That, bro, that M6 just squat, bro. Yo, here, Matthew gone, dog. Matthew gone. I even got good ass brakes, boy.
You too.
I'm with the top. That M6, nice. Yes, sir. Yo, that Durango gone. That Durango gone.
You feel the vibrations, all of them?
Oh, that M6 though.
Yeah, it is. Right there.
We're going to press the record, yep.
Yep.
Still recording. Ton of time. Look, clock down. What for do? Me know what for do. I'm gonna do some pops first. Some pops first. Bomba, yeah, yeah, youth. Bomba, yeah, youth. Bro, you hear the M6?
You're spinning the whole time.
That's what he says. He ain't hooking. Ladies and gents, if you're buying a muscle car, if you're buying a Hellcat, be wary of the gas. 3/4, okay? And we got 84 miles of range. Right now we're getting what we getting? 8.4 miles per gallon. Yeah. Y'all better like the video. Comment which car you like more. Do you like the green Q50 more? Drop a green heart or green circle. The black M6, drop a black heart, black circle, black anything. The white Durango, drop a white heart, white anything. And the blue Charger Hellcat, which one you like the most? Drop a heart or just say out the name. Let us know, man, which one you like the most. Okay, Q. Pause. Q, you want me to go in front of you too? No, you go, bro. I want to be last, cause you ain't gonna hear shit over this. Bro, he just spun. All right, Matthew, launch control. Holy shit! Ew. My ears. Yes, sir. All right, we're just gonna end it off with a drift, man. Cool. Just a little drift. I mean, turn off my AC on the order.
Good.
Woo! Quick, but yeah, that's the video, man. That's the video. Madness.
Madness.
Yeah. Drop a thumbs up for which car you like the most. Let me know.